no. Have you started filming?
Oh, bother. 3, 2, 1, allons-y.
Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody, salut, hi, bienvenue, welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Ça va? Ça va bien? Comme ci, comme ça? Oh, ça va mal. Moi, ça va très bien parce que aujourd'hui, il fait beau. Today is jour number... Can you count to 27 with me in French whilst lunging from side to side? Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Très bien. Jour number 27. And don't forget that if you enjoy this video, please give it a like. And merci beaucoup to all of my subscribers. If you're yet to subscribe but would like to, feel free to press the button down there. You might remember that 2 days ago, we learnt all about the first 4 mois de l'année, the first 4 months of the year. Janvier, février, mars, and avril. And then in our last video, we learnt about the next 4 mois de l'année. Mai, juin, juillet, and août. We're going to kickstart today with our phrase of the day. In yesterday's video, our phrases of the day were il est né en, he was born in, and elle est née en, she was born in. So today, we're going to learn I was born in. Écoutez, je suis né en. Je suis né en. Je suis né en. Répétez. Je suis né en. Je suis né en. Je suis né en. Très bien. So without further ado, it's time for our ooh la la vocab. Bonjour. Kylian Mbappé? Ooh la la! In today's ooh la la vocab, we are going to say goodbye to our summer months. Au revoir l'été. À bientôt. Anana. And we're going to kickstart with our autumn months. You might remember learning about l'automne in our Jour 5 Seasons video. So our first mois de l'année aujourd'hui is September, when the leaves get some couleur magnifique pour l'automne. Écoutez 6 fois. Septembre. 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 Répétez. Septembre. 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 Oulala vocab numéro 2 is October. On the 31st of October, it is Halloween. Écoutez 6 fois. Octobre. 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 Répétez. Octobre. 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 Our next mois de l'année is November, when it starts to get very dark and the leaves have fallen off the trees. Écoutez 6 fois. Novembre. novembre, 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 novembre. Répétez, novembre, 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 novembre. And the dernier mois de l'année, the last month of the year, is December, when it's time for Christmas on le 25 décembre. Écoutez 6 fois. Décembre, 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 décembre. Répétez, décembre, 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 décembre. When Santa got stuck up the chimney, he began to shout, "You boys and girls won't get any toys if you don't pull me out." Now it's time for our game, Which One's Missing? I'm going to show you 4 images, 4 pictures, and one of them is going to disappear. Allons-y. First up, we have Septembre, Octobre, Novembre, and Décembre. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said Novembre. Next one, we've got Décembre, Novembre, Octobre, and Septembre. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said Décembre. Next one, we have got Septembre, Décembre, Novembre, and Octobre. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said Octobre. Next one, and you are now on your own. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said Septembre. Next one. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said Décembre. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, fantastique, magnifique, and très bien if you said Octobre. Is it time for a break, yeah?
Mr. Innes, we are still alive. I repeat, we are still
Oh,
alive.
sorry. Here we go. So now it's time for our sensational sentences. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. Can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Je suis né en. Très bien, which means I was born in. In today's sensational sentences, I'm going to ask you the question, tu es né en quel mois? Which month were you born in? And you're going to have to pretend that you were born in one of the months we've learnt about today. I'll help you with the first deux. So first up, tu es né en quel mois? Répétez, je suis né en septembre. Je suis né en septembre. Très bien. Tu es né en quel mois? Répétez, je suis né en octobre. Je suis né en octobre. Très bien. Now try by yourself. Tu es né en quel mois? Très bien if you said je suis né en novembre. Et finalement, tu es né en quel mois? Très bien if you said je suis né en décembre. Now in real life, moi, je suis né en mai. And in real life, toi, tu es né en quel mois? Fantastique! Let's move on to our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that in France, in décembre, Christmas food has some similarities but also some differences? For Christmas dinner, you're likely to start off by eating some oysters. Then you'll move on and you might have a roast turkey like we normally do in Britain. And then you'll finish off with a slice of le bûche de Noël, which means a taste of Christmas. Et finalement, aujourd'hui is our song of the day. Today's song of the day is a great way to think about all les mois de l'année, the months of the year that we've been learning about. It is by Alain le Lait and it's called les mois de l'année. And you can find a link to it in the description below. And that's everything for today. Jour number 27, très bien, of French with Mr. Innes. It has been magnifique having you here today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel below, and in the meantime, à bientôt, and au revoir! Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Salut! No, that went terribly wrong. You might remember. And then in no, it's not juillet, it's juin. Summer month. No, I just filmed the whole of Sensational Sentences and it wasn't recording! And in real life. About. Mr. Innes, we are still live. I repeat, we are still live. Décembre? No. Is by. No. Ooh la la! That was so bad.